In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply with a meeting in Outlook. If you've ever received an email that would be easier to discuss live instead of continuing a long back and forth thread, Outlook has a built-in option that helps you turn that email into a meeting response. This is a useful feature when you want to gather everyone from the conversation into a scheduled discussion without manually creating a new event from scratch. To begin, go to your inbox in Outlook and open the email you want to respond to. Make sure you choose the message that includes the people you want involved in the meeting, because Outlook can use that email thread to help set up the response. Opening the email first is important, since the meeting reply option appears from within the message itself. Once the email is open, look for the three dots, which usually represent more actions or additional options. Click on those three dots to open the expanded menu. In Outlook, some reply tools are tucked inside this menu, so if you don't immediately see the option you need on the main toolbar, this is the place to check. After the menu opens, move your cursor over the option called Other Reply Actions. You may need to hover for a moment so the submenu appears. This section contains extra ways to respond to an email beyond the standard reply, reply all, or forward options. Taking this route helps you access Outlook's meeting-based response feature directly from the conversation. From that submenu, click on Reply All by Meeting. When you select this option, Outlook creates a meeting draft tied to that email conversation and includes the recipients from the original message. This can save time and reduce the chance of leaving someone out, especially when several people are already part of the discussion. At this point, Outlook will prepare the meeting response for you, and you can continue from there by reviewing the details before sending it. It's always a good idea to double check that the right attendees are included and that the subject still clearly reflects the purpose of the meeting. That way, everyone understands why the invitation is being sent and what the meeting is about. And that's how to reply with a meeting in Outlook. It's a simple but effective way to move an email conversation into a scheduled event when a live discussion makes more sense than another written reply.